All right, more news coming in at this point in time, and this has got to do with developments as far as TVK chief actor Vijay is concerned. Is now reached Vellore, is what we are learning at this point in time. His mega meeting in Vellore in just a bit from now. I'm going to try and go across to Pramod Madhav, who's there for this rally which is being held in Vellore, traditionally seen as the bastion of the DMK. Vijay is there. He has reached amid heavy security, and Pramod continues to be with us from Vellore, getting us those pictures. This, of course, is the bastion of the DMK. Is all set to address a party event. Take us through the pictures. What are you seeing around you at this point in time, Sagar?
Certainly, this particular program is only for the officials of the party. So only 4,900 people are allowed. 900 police are over there. So what is happening is that there are certain construction areas, road areas where there is road work and things. So this is where Vijay fans are standing and they are trying to welcome that white car that you see over there. That MVV is a vehicle in which Vijay is presently at. And everybody over here are waiting for Vijay and are waving for him. This is the fan team that is over here at Vellore. It's kind of constricted. Over there, 4,900 people have been allowed, and only that too through QR code. And that's why you could see that a huge team is over here, and all are waiting for Vijay. And everybody at the spot are welcoming him. This is a massive crowd that is trying to fall. It's extremely uncontrollable. But they're actually Vijay that you see, and over their team is also here, and that is Vijay who's actually waving his hand to them and people. It's becoming little conspicuous, but still, everybody's over here. Look at the crowd over there, all trying to welcome Vijay at this spot. This is the kind of welcome he's attaining at this particular location called as Pallikondan, which is almost close to 10 kilometers away from the spot where Vijay is going to speak. And from here, people are only 4,900 people are allowed over there. And that is why you see such a large crowd that has come over here waiting to see Vijay. And now they are moving towards the arenas, Sneha.
Well, absolutely. Be with us, Pramod Madhav, even as we stay with these exclusive images you're getting us from the venue where this rally is taking place, and the importance of why Vijay is in Vellore today seen in these pictures. Absolute chaos, but security concerns continue to be there, given the kind of mayhem that we've seen in Karur in the past. But we have these images of people falling on the roads. Take us through the details of what's going on at this point in time. This looks really very, very chaotic, Pramod.
Sneha, this is definitely chaotic because you could see women are sitting over here at this location. And the thing is that even after that, you could see now slowly, the people are still standing over here and they are trying to welcome Vijay. But like you said, all these things that were placed over here, everything has been pushed out. And this is a small road where the work is actually happening. But right now, you could see all these have been pushed out because of the crowd. And even after that, the crowd is still trying to cheer him up. They're trying to this was not a planned road show. A road show was not allowed here. Important aspect is that women, children especially, who have infants they've been asked not to come, but we saw a multiple of people over here and they're all come over here to welcome Vijay. This is where the crowd management's supposed to happen, but you could see that right now, everybody who are fans of Vijay are here, and you could see them still, they're actually trying to welcome him, trying to show their pictures and such, and they're surrounding his vehicle as his vehicle is moving slowly. And this is the crowd that is over here. On one side that is happening, but on the other side, this is a highway, a very constricted region, and this is supposed to be maintained properly. But look at the crowd that is happening. This is where police are supposed to intervene and clear the road, but we are not seeing any kind of police over here. Vijay is over there, and only one policeman is here who is trying to stop the crowd, but that's not going to work because there are hundreds of people who are at this spot while they are trying to wave to Vijay. And there's another policeman over there who's trying to stop them, but the crowd is extremely overwhelming. And here they are trying to say how they just want to see Vijay have a glimpse, and that's why such a large mayhem is happening at the spot, Sneha.
All right, these are images coming in from Vellore at this point in time. Absolute chaos because 5,000 people are to attend. I'm not too sure if the number is going to go up further or not. It looks like at this point in time. Be safe, Pramod. I see you in these pictures at this point in time along with the crowds. Continue to talk to us about what do you see around you, but of course be safe first.
Even now we are being pushed into this particular, and here we are just feet away from Vijay sir.
We'll just continue with our coverage of Vellore and what's happening as far as the rally of TVK chief Vijay is concerned.